This right here is Badodo. He's sad right now because he said he's heartbroken. Who broke your heart, dudes? Yes. Who broke your heart, dudes? Bakit? Interview na to Exclusive. Bakit pa naiiyak mo nung Friday? Kawawa ka naman. Sino ba sakit sa'yo? Tado. Ay, kago. Anong nangyari sa'yo nung Friday? Kawawa ka naman. Tado. Uy, Telemon. Exclusive na to. Joanne interview ito. Exclusive. Ulul, ilalagay ko nga to sa YouTube. Tarantado. This is Badodo. Ulul.